Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're standing outside of our awesome showroom featuring a 2021 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. As you can see, it's a beautiful boat. This one's going to be powered by our Mercury 94-stroke engine. This is a very powerful and quiet engine. Boat would be perfect for cruising up the intercoastal with the family, possibly going to some sandbars, going to a few restaurants on the water, also doing some flats fishing. This boat is absolutely perfect for it. See the open layout here in the back of the boat. Easy access to everything. This is an insulated cooler that can be removed or used as a seat. Also dedicated anchor storage here on this boat. Perfect little boat. Very sturdy hull, as you know Boston Whaler is famous for. Please feel free to reach out to me at 813-424-6084 if you'd like to know more about this boat. We look forward to seeing you here and seeing you on the water. Have a great day.